All right, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Benny back at it again. You guys, goodbye. This is it. It's come down to like the final straw, and I think it's time to throw in the towel. To the year 2023, because it's the end of the year. I didn't really post much of December, just because I had been just working on this 24/7, trying to figure out what's going on. So let me give you a little rundown of what's going on. It's not starting. Um, it's not starting, but it starts up with starter fluid. So that kind of gave us a direction to go towards, and it was like, okay, so it's not getting proper gas, or it's not getting gas at all. So we went ahead and checked the fuel pump. We checked the whole fuel system, and we checked to make sure we got pressure. We checked to make sure the injectors are firing, and they're firing good gas. I put a bottle. Here's a little video real quick. Now some people said it might be fuel pressure, so I'm not 100% sure. I'm pretty sure I have fuel pressure, because when I go ahead and release the little valve, this one over here, I don't know if I'm pointing it in the camera, it's right there somewhere, it throws out fuel pretty good. If it's the right amount of pressure, I'm not 100% sure. All my sensors, grounds, relay, I switched out the relay to a new one. It's good. The fuel pump primes, everything. I've literally checked every single little thing possible, and it's still not going. It's still not running. So I've connected with a whole bunch of people throughout Facebook, on the Facebook K forums, just forums, reading at old forums, researching the internet vigorously. Like, just, I look like Fetty Wap. Who is it? Fetty Wap and someone else on that one picture. I think it's Fetty Wap. I just been trying to figure out what's going on. I've connected with a couple friends. They've tried to help out as much as they can. I'm reached out to someone that seems like they know what they're doing. It's the forums. The Facebook forums. Literally, they're blowing up. It seems like they know what they're doing, but I'm not. They said they've worked on S2000s. They had on their Facebook profile page in the background. It's a whole built S2000. I looked through their Facebook. But so I don't know. We're trying to figure this out. We're trying to see what's going on. I just can't get my head around it. Someone said I don't have the O2 sensors hooked up. Someone said connect the O2 sensor. They had an issue where their car would only run for 10 seconds and die because of the O2 sensor. Try that. We also have a couple other sensors that are not connected, but I don't think they have a major issue in display, other than maybe this one. But I don't think so, because you guys, before we rebuild, the car was running kind of fine. Not really. It was on 2 cylinders only. We had a double misfire. The timing is correct. All the sensors, the pulse plate, the camshaft sensors, everything got connected back properly in the way it should be. So that's what we're trying to figure out right now. There's also a whole other video that kind of explains if your K is not starting. I looked at that video and I double checked everything in that video, and it's still no go. The grounds are fine. I got literally 2 grounds, one over here, one on this side. I'm debating on adding a third ground, but I don't think it's a third ground. I don't know. The guy that I'm talking to said more likely it's a connection issue. So that's the direction we're heading towards right now. Right now I'm charging up my laptop, so that way I can film what's going on the K Pro, on Hondata, K Pro, whatever, so we can log everything and see what's going on and what readings we're getting. I don't really know how to read this shit. He might have a better idea and understanding. So that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to get my laptop, connect everything, and let's see what we get. Let's get to it. You guys, you're not gonna believe what just happened. This thing started on its own officially, and let me show you what I did. I was going back and forth with this guy. We were talking, we're narrowing things down, and then I got this message on my Facebook page. Now, this person, they had a 3-bar map sensor. That was a mistake. I don't have a 3-bar map sensor, but I have, I'm gonna be honest, I have a junkyard map sensor, and I decided to use that map sensor because I was like, it just needs to have 5 volts. Boom, let's put it in. It's Honda. So I disconnected it, and guess what? Thing starts up fine, but we run into one issue. I have a gas leak in the back somewhere. Let me show you real quick. So gas seems to be draining out through here. Yesterday, I switched out my fuel return line. This one over here, it was originally there. I used to be connected to this one right here, and then I switched it out to this one because I was like, maybe, I don't know. But I'm gonna inspect. The only thing is that it's really dark up here. I could see kind of the gas markings. All my lines are in here are correct, but like I said, it's getting really dark. So you know what I need? Let me show you guys what I need. I need my headlight headband. Check this out. This is really dope. It has different modes. Is lower mode, and then it has the spotlight and a low spotlight, which is really cool. And this is the coolest thing about it. Hold on. I think hold on. Let me. We're having some malfunction here. I didn't really get to show it off, but it's motion activated. Usually I go like this and it turns off and on, which is really dope, especially if you're a mechanic and you really got your hands all dirty. You just, oh, there, did it. There, look at that. Look at that. Oh, shit, that thing is fucking shit. So that's really cool. Or not unless it's dying, because I think that might be why it wasn't working, but it's really cool. I really like this. You guys, if you guys want to check, if you guys want one of these, there's a post-Christmas gift for your husband, boyfriend, grandma, dog, daughter, son, cat, whatever you want to gift. I think this is really cool idea. I really like this. So let's go ahead and figure out where this gas leak is coming from, and then we'll go from there. All right, so the guy kind of gave me a rundown of what's going on. Basically, he said that I disconnected the map, so there's 0 vac or something like that. So it's throwing out more fuel than what I actually need, hence why I'm running super lean. So he's, like he said, he's gonna send me a base tune, and we're gonna see how that goes. I'm hoping after that there's no issues, but we will see. We will see. So pause here for now. I'm gonna wait for him to send me this file. Hopefully it is soon, and then I'm also gonna make sure that my fuel and my gas and everything is not dripping out from the back, because I do not want that at all. So we're gonna pause here and see where we go. 1 week. Big and big. We are big. We're back with the 2000 this time though. This time I think it's this time it's the real deal for sure. This time the real deal, 100%. All right, people. Let's see if this is gonna work. This is the new tune this guy sent me. Okay. Oh. God damn it. Data logging. 3 codes. Getting into the main firewall. We gotta data log this for this man's, because he's gonna help me. He's from Kentucky. Yeah. We got a chunky man alert. Okay. Ah, fuck. Stop. Sorry, so it's not starting still. So I responded back to him, let him know what's going on. He's gonna get back to me. So we will see. I don't know, I'm starting to think it's a faulty map sensor, because when you take it off it starts. He said it's probably the tune, because like the air fuel ratio is like really out of wonk. I think because when I unplug this it'll start up, but when I plug it back in it doesn't start. He sent me the new bass tune that was supposed to be good. And then another thing was, so I had to get a pigtail for this. So now I'm trying to figure out if these are correct as far as like where they're supposed to go. Like, you know, I would assume it is, but you just never know. So we're kind of trying to figure everything out, see where to go with this. I messaged him. He's gonna get back to me right now and let me know, and then we'll go from there. Alright guys, so it has come down to it where we must call it quits for the year. We weren't able to get it started before the new year, unfortunately. Well, actually, hold on, let me rephrase that. We were able to get it started before the new year on its own, actually, but without the TPMS sensor plugged in. I mean, the map sensor plugged in. Reason being, we're leading down to it being the tune. So yeah, so so we did get it kind of started. It'll start up, it'll idle for like 10 to 20 seconds, longer than it was even trying to get it started. So that's the good. We're headed in the right direction, which is really good. So now it's time to see, I don't know, he's gonna send me a tune. We're gonna add a fuel pressure gauge to the fuel rail, and then he's gonna send me a tune and get some readings, all this bullshit and whatnot. I don't know what, but yes, you guys, the car, I wasn't able to get it started before the new year, which kind of sucks, but it's all right. Maybe we start the new year even better with the car running, going good, all for next year. But I just want to kind of put this out there for a little bit. I am pretty happy with myself with this whole build, how far it's come along. I've done from painting it, the motor, rebuild, everything to it. I've done everything to it, and I'm pretty happy about it. It probably hasn't came out the best of quality, but that's because I'm doing it, because I'm not a professional. I could have taken my time with some of the stuff, but I just didn't have, I don't want to say I didn't have time on my hands and I didn't have time on my back, but I didn't decide to really take action when I had the time. And I did everything procrastinated, and I did everything last minute, and everything was kind of had to be rushed and moved forward along, which is my fault. I'll take fault for that, no one else. And but I think it could have came out a little bit better as far as the paint. As far as everything else, I think I've done as good as I can do. Like I said, I'm really happy how that's turned out. So yeah, you know, I'm really excited to see what the new year brings us. I do have an update on the BMW that I will be putting out for that. So we will see, well, where we will be going with this. We will see. We will see what the New Year's brings to us. I'm really looking forward to it. As far as in the direction we want to go with the channel, I'm not too sure. December almost took a break kind of off of YouTube. I've been reevaluating my life and all these other things and see what I want to do. So we will see. But anyways, other than that, you guys, thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one. Peace.